Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla.
Biggs, let him go, Biggs. Let him go.
People, me have a show now.
Hey,
So
all you gotta
anger.
make sure if you wanna touch my mark,
We have
you know,
a
come in
control
and
some
move it to
time.
please
You see what I
nobody. Alright, that me I say, fling all you know one, but anybody touch none with my car out here. Alright. Biggs, go around, Biggs. Mind my car, that's all me I say.
Angry, shark basket,
Alright.
angry this in.
Me send me to kill you. Me know you know Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. So I
Don't fist to fist.
Anger.
so I idiot that.
Yeah, man, go on in the car, yeah, shark boss. Yeah, tidin come back out.
You bad. You bad. You bad. Me a kill you a big don't fist to fist. That me say. Me a go kill you a big.
Go around the car all you want.
No, shark boss.
Where do? Pussy, where do?
No, no do it, no do that, no do that.
Do it. Me chop it. Hey, go on, not on my face, man.
No, that birthday. Pull on the Machete.
Me chop.
This is it. Yeah, man.
Somebody said like going place back up here. I want everything, you know.
Get back, get no. You have to pay for this. You have to pay for this. Anybody want this, have to pay for it.
People, let me tell you something about anger, yeah, people. Anger overpower enough away, enough of the time. Whole heap away, like enough time we just get angry and just want to explode. Boom! You get me? Can't make anger overtake with you. To be honest. Don't do that, you see me? Yeah, so you see what going with Shark Boss and Biggs a while ago? I'm glad it not really reached too far in a certain way. You get what I mean? I'm glad it just squashed right there. So, you see? Alright? So, Shark Boss Biggs, big up on yourself, you know, more life, more strength. You see me? And as always, if you're new to my channel, you know, click the subscribe button. Yeah, my name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skillas Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.